I'm sorry the lighting is bad. I really have to go pack my beach bag for tomorrow in my robe. We've made it to the beach. We're in the kitchen. I'm about to leave for a walk. Okay, here we go. Austen's version of spaghetti and meatballs. This is our Blue Man group. Hello everyone, it is good to see you guys again. I have not pulled out the camera in like a week. I just finished painting my nails with, this is Rock the Runway from SE Gel Couture. Occasionally I like to take a break from the Dazzle Dry and just do a classic good old nail polish. This I loved. It was a nice like sort of relaxing thing for me to do because I'm not working. So I've been MIA the past week, the past 2 weeks. Frankly, it has been a lot of stress and strain on me to deal with this move, to deal with getting laid off, to deal with job hunting, feeling like I'm getting thrown into 10,000 things, telling my friends I'm leaving, telling my family I'm leaving, packing up our apartment, dealing with the sublease. It's scary. I probably just scared you right now. You're like, ah, click out of that, that's stressful. But I have a ton of updates for you on where we're at, and thankfully everything has somehow worked out. I will say that Austen and I's stress levels are at an all-time high, so I do think him and I deserve some sort of retreat or vacation. Maybe that's what London will be, because we are just, we're not doing hot. And I am so excited for the day that all this is over. So in terms of new things, well, this is our Blue Man group. We bought 5 suitcases, like 28-inch suitcases off of Temu for like $45. Normally I would never condone, you know, this much mass consumerism, but these are what we're gonna take to London, and we're gonna take them back from London when we move back home. So in some ways it's kind of a dual purpose, and you will also know that we got rid of my desk and Austen got rid of his desk chair. So now he is using my desk chair. And other than that, we have started boxes. You can see the coffee table is kind of chaotic. We also have packing materials. We've got boxes starting to accumulate. We've got all these boxes over here. So things are happening slowly but surely. We're in the kitchen. I'm about to leave for a walk. I've been meaning to do some hot girl walks. It's just hot outside, and I'm meaning to go in the morning, but then the mosquitoes attack me. It's a whole thing. So I have my ballas on today. So I'm gonna have to walk kind of like this, because if you do this, it's bad for your wrists. So I'm gonna walk kind of like a hot mom. Got my walking shoes on. I did a little bit of a stretch. I'm gonna be playing a nice meditation and my noise canceling headphones. And then of course got my fanny pack. Back home now, I'm just opening some electrolytes because it was hot out there. This is what I do like about them, is they're not super messy. A lot of the electrolyte come in packets or powders. It just comes in a little tablet. Just drop it in, dissolves on its own. Walking with the ballas was actually really difficult. I felt like it was very unnatural. So I was like having my wrists up, having my wrists turned out, having my wrists turned this way. I was doing like some of these. But yeah, very unnatural feeling. And I do think it kind of made my wrist a little sore. So I may just stick to putting them on the ankles, just to keep my wrists nice and sturdy. I don't know. And then also our friends invited us to Cote tonight, which is a Korean steakhouse, steak restaurant. It's freaking delicious. I've only been once. It's very expensive, but Austen was like, let's go, screw it. I'm sorry the lighting is bad. I really have to go, but here's my outfit for dinner tonight. Ignore the laundry. I'm wearing the YSL that Austen got me in Mykonos. This is a little lace top from H&M. Skirt is Kukai, and then I'm wearing these red flats, very Courtney Grow, a little bit boho, a little bit chic. And then I've got these cute little earrings from Target. They're these little pearls. And yes, I'm running late, so let's go. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. I'm actually headed to go get some matcha with my friend Ashley, just in the neighborhood, and I have literally no plans today. I'm gonna make plans for myself because Austen went upstate with some friends to go to a barbecue, And my only thing with like going upstate is that he like carpooled with people, so they literally could be coming back at like 11 o'clock at night, and I was like, no way, sis. Like, I'm trying to hang at home. I want to watch my shows, walk around. So let's go meet up with Ashley. Let's get a matcha and enjoy this beautiful summer weather. How could I forget the absolute necessities before heading out the door? I spray my legs with either this Repel anti-mosquito or this Zanzoff Bambino, which I know you're laughing because it's in Italian, but I love this stuff. Really nice, not sticky. This one has this like weird cooling from the eucalyptus, but you guys, the mosquitoes bite me alive and I have to spray my legs, otherwise it's war. I was terrible and I just did not vlog today. Honestly, Ashley and I had so much catching up to do and I was like, I cannot vlog this, but I'm going to the beach with her tomorrow. I've never been to Rockaway Beach on the ferry, so we're gonna take the ferry tomorrow and we're gonna have a little girls' beach day, and it's much needed. I'm very much looking forward to it. So, well, I do have you. Yes, it's Saturday night. Yes, I stayed in last night. Yes, I'm staying in tonight. And let's pack my beach bag for tomorrow in my robe. So I have this bag here, which I'm gonna pack within my bigger tote bag here. But this has in like a little zipper pouch compartment. I've got Band-Aids, Advil, Benadryl. I have a hair tie. I really do want to bring a clip as well. That'd be good. Corded headphones, listen to podcasts. I have my mini brush, which I love. And then I'm bringing my face sunscreen and a body sunscreen. And then I've got sunglasses. I probably won't put them in here. I'll wear them. I'm debating on bringing this mosquito repellent because like the mosquitoes will probably bite me, but only in the city, not at the beach. So probably don't need this. Other things that I'm bringing in this bigger bag are my hat. I've just got like an aloe trucker hat. And then I'm bringing this to sit on top of instead of just a towel, because I like to have a lot of space that I can space out. So probably bring that as well, and a water bottle. This Hydro Flask right here will be game changing. It'll probably be a little heavy to start, but that's at least gonna go in this bag. And then I also have to get snacks tomorrow, but I think I'm just gonna do like popcorn, jerky, maybe some fruit, but that's about it. And I have a little bag right here for that stuff to go in, so that if it spills, I can put that in there. Guys, like, look at this lobby. The restaurant's out there, and then they have this like cute area here to walk in. Hello everyone, we've made it to Rockaway. I got my hibiscus mint drink, and I'm actually in the Rockaway Hotel right now. It's so freaking darling. We went to Claudette's to get a beverage before walking to the beach, and it's just so cute. I literally told Ashley we should go to lunch here. We made it to the beach. I know it doesn't look like much, but the water's pretty warm and pretty light. And there's a decent amount of... Here's the snacks I ended up picking up and that Ashley bought. I tried these spicy seaweed ones from Trader Joe's. I feel like Trader Joe's just has really good snacks. Delicious. Inner peas, a classic. The watermelon was not that good. And just mango, and then Ashley brought some sour cherries, which I've never had, and some plums. And then I do have a pasta salad in there, but we'll see if we do it. I'm just chilling after being in the water. There is literally nothing like a fresh shower after the beach, get all that sand off. I ended up having to take a bike home from the pier, so your girl was sweaty when she got home, but we had a nice long shower. We did the hair. I uploaded my engagement video with a proposal story with my ring, all of that fun stuff. So please go watch it if you haven't. It's probably one of the most exciting videos I've ever posted on my channel. So I had to shout that out, right? I'm bringing Austen back on the vlog for some cooking. Making some meatballs tonight with some of the ground beef that we got from, not the farmer's market, but Farm to People, which is like a farmer's market delivery service. This is some homemade cherry tomato sauce. And then I've got some kale in here. And I think Austen's gonna make us some pasta as well with these guys. So we're gonna have a good old Italian pasta night. Cheese is grated. Sauce is going. Meatballs are done. Oh, the meatballs look really good, Austen. Kale is going on. Oh! We had a little mishap, but all is well. I've cleaned the wall. And we're back to simmer the sauce with kale. What's next?
Some labna.
Some labna in the sauce. Creamy element. Love that.
You can use a spoon.
Oh, okay. You have to do it. 2 cooks is too many in this kitchen, but I'm just gonna eat. Ooh, the lemon zest in here is really good, Austen.
Yeah.
There's like a little broken nibble. Okay, here we go. Austen's version of spaghetti and meatballs. You can tell mine versus his colossal bowl. Let's taste it. You guys see the steam? Yeah, you do. Oh my gosh. It's steaming. Oh my god, it's literally like fuming on the camera. The basil is like so good.
Oh, it's so hot.
The meatballs are so good too. Yum.